Hey YouTube, it's me again. As you can see, there's a lot of cows over there, and we're selling those for tomorrow. My neighbor actually owns them, but I'm going to be waking up at 7:30 tomorrow because this is the annual feast in my second town. This is Site B, where, in my opinion, is my favorite town of all time because this is where all the action goes on. And yes, there has been times when I've woken up with animals screaming, and there's been wolves killing them. And I got another video coming up today. I found a lake to go spoon fishing in, and I found out bass and carp have been released here this past year, here in Portugal. That's right. Rainbow trout as well. And I think I'm going to be having a fun time. And tomorrow I'm going to make a video. I made one last year, which is on my channel as well, about the cattle fair. And there are two annually, and I think I'm going to have a banging ass time. Banging ass time, yeah. Just excited, you know. I just love being here. You know, it sucks, man. I wish I could live here all year, but the economy is really bad. But yeah, I think.
A minha besoura da cor é filha dela.
Mas olha cá para Natal, quando nós vendemos o grão é grande, eu ameaço que partimos para o buraco zero dos bois. Para matar e evitar, que é a carne melhor cai. Há de evitar.
Alright, YouTube. So I'm at the cow feast. I just made a couple videos. It's not that good this year. No one's buying anything. I mean, there's a couple of nice calves here that look pretty good for slaughter. Cause let me be honest with you, for the most part, everything you see over here is to be slaughtered. This bull right here, he's aggressive as hell. He's already shaking his horns and stuff. If he gets sold, which I highly doubt, he's gonna go be slaughtered by September too. So yeah, this is the first time I've been here, and it's not pretty good this year. No one's buying anything. Thank you, YouTube.